Perfect, the ropes course is open this morning. Let's give it a try.
You will need to be at least 48 inches tall and under 300 pounds. There are some rules, like you must be wearing dry clothing, so no swimwear, no sleeveless tops, skirts, or dresses allowed, and you must be wearing closed-toed shoes that have a back strap.
I do appreciate that the high ropes are complimentary here on the Jubilee. Now you do also need to empty your pockets, but there are free lockers up here for those small items. Now once you're harnessed up, your harness slides in these tracks, and at each station you can switch from left to right depending on which side of the track you would like to go down.
It's an ankle twister. The zipline part is closed today.
Which I understand because it's pretty wavy.
Yeah, and windy.
Windy, yeah.
Well, this one looks interesting.
Show off.
Show off. You made it.